there is a bus. Why the bus is here? You really want me to... You really want adventure. I didn't know that this kind of adventure you want. My heart. Oh, shit.
Imagine in winter. Oh. Oh, look, this goes. You cannot stop anywhere here. Oh, here. But in the middle of the two tunnels. There's a romantic one. Look, we go to the next one. Oh, that's the end of the road. Look down there, the water. The water or what?
That's how when we walk, it's far now. Wow. We have a
If you
kid.
live here and then you forgot to buy your milk. Oh, here's the town. Oh, relaxing beach.
Wake up, Jasmine, it's anxiety.
Solar, yeah, of course. We need solar.
Vehicles are hiding in the forest. Lakad-lakad kami dito, guys. Dito kami sa pinakamalayong lugar. Ewan ko, 30 minutes away sa aming bahay. Pero grabe naman ang pagkatarik sa mga bundok. Eh. How many minutes is this far from our house? 30?
40.
40? And. Nga, I told you. You want to walk? Hala, wait lang, love. The window. So, may simbahan ito, guys. I think mag-pray muna ako bago kami babalik. Kaya napakatarik ng dadaanan namin ba. Kanina parang gusto ko nang maihi. Kasi isang perma na lang ni San Pablo, hulog na kami sa bangin. Oh, nang kasama ko, na maliit na bata. Oh. Pasok kami sa church. Pasok ang bata ng church. Ano nangyari sa shoes mo na? Bitte tourist lesson. Wow, it's a see. Let's go inside. Oh, nice. Uy! Kaki ka, mapasok ka. Hawak-hawak ka pa. So, silaw naman ang init, guys. Asa na ba yung mag-anak ko, eh? Maglakad-lakad kami. So, dito talaga, guys. 30 minutes away to sa bahay namin. Pero grabe, nasa bundok kami. Sa sobrang taas talaga. Dito yung mag-ama ko. So, galing ako sa church. Yan yung church dito, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan yung church dito. Okay, hi, baby! Let's go to the water there. Let's go there.
There's even drink.
For the hikers. He want to drink also.
Good.
Slide. Slide. Sit down. Sit in. Guys, tingnan yung paligid namin, oh. Dito kami sa kabundukan. So, tapos, ayan. O, diba? Grabe. Grabe ang bukid na to ba. Guys, naulinis pa rin dito. May playground din sila. Ay, naglalaro yung dalawa. Iniwan namin si Jasmine tsaka si Lucas. Pero may susi yun sila. Nakakapasok sa bahay. Maiksi na yung hair ko, no? Pinutulan ko. Ako lang nagputol. Layer. So. Hello, Beam.
Stop, that these not go under the...
Say hi to my vlog.
That's dirty. That's a trash can.
Oh, that's the ants. There's the ants.
You put the
Say hi to my vlog.
in there.
Say hi. You
Look,
say,
look what they do.
say hi to my vlog.
Oh.
How do you get the water? We should get also water here. Dito pala nag-iigyop. So, yun lang. Sumaglit lang kami nito. Lakad-lakad ng konti and then uwi na kami. Basta ano na oras na ngayon? Alas 6 na ng 6:20 ng hapon. So, nag-ride lang kami. Pero yung ko ba, ba't dito napili ni Stefano? Napakatarik na daanan. Parang pakita ko sa inyo yung video pag i-edit ko to, guys. Grabe. Isang perma na lang sa San Pablo. Hulog ka na dun sa bangin. Pero kailangan magaling yung driver mo. Ang cute ng buhok ko, no? Exy, no? Ako lang naggupit niya. Layer. Kasi masyadong dry na yung dulo niya. Sunog na. What? Let's go na. Oh my God, it's not fun to go home. So scary. We go home na. Okay.
Okay.
You gonna bye-bye?
Where's your car?
Oh, there is. Guys, no, bukid na bukid dito, guys. No, imagine dito ka nakatira. Pero may mga tirahan pa rin. Ganda ng mga bahay nila. Hanap ako ng CR. Maihian. Kasi naiihi ako. Oh no. I cannot go kay siya. Mostly sa mga Swiss, no, kay Catholic sila, guys. So, mga church na diri kay kasagarang Catholic. Daddy! Biiwan mo na yata ako, ah. Pero, biyaan ako, buang ni ay. Gusto ko rin gubot ngarong gabi, ay. Ito dito sa forest, oh. Hiyon ko, walay maihian. Go kay CR nila. So, manguli nami, guys, kay alas 7 na, no? 6:23. So,
Yeah, that's the road here.
oh my God, balik kami doon sa dinaanan namin, nakakatakot. Grabe, parang mahulog na yung puso ko sa bangin, sa takot. Pero laban ta. Muli namin. Katura. Nakala kami yung among agianan mo, pinaka-exciting. So,
You want to film?
dito. So, ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng mountains dito. May mga bahay din dito sa baba, oh.
Look at the
I'm wondering, where did they buy a grocery? There's a lot of houses here.
rent, I think. People who want to have their peace and want to hike the whole day.
Look, oh, the horses thingy there, oh. Sa'yo pa rin luparay ito, ay. Ito na naman. Ay, naku. Ang liit kasi ng kalsada dito, eh. Why this small road? It should be extended
Yeah,
this
but
side.
then you need to remove the whole mountain here.
Oh.
Look, the horses here. Hindi na, baby.
Nakakatakot talaga dito, guys, niya. Gabi na, no. Kaya uwi na kami, baka abot. Daddy, what will gonna happen if it's like dark na? Super dark.
Yeah, there's no lights here, no?
Yeah, there's no lights. Only the light from your car, no?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Imagine in winter, there's ice and snow.
Na.
Yeah, then it happened like this. Look why it's like this.
Lasang naman yun. Gubat
Someone's
naman
like
yung
there.
gagian, eh. Wala pa dyan ilaw. Pero may mga car pa din, o mga nag-hiking, biking. There's also a short blondie here, no? So, daming mga, yan, forest na talaga to, guys. Yeah, my goodness. Pakita ko sa inyo. Uy.
Why?
Oh.
Only if there's someone else, they will hear that.
Oo. Diba, guys, ang gubat na talaga to. Tapos konti na lang bangin,
That's the first time I horn in this year.
Oo nga. Yeah. I noticed that.
For a second time.
This is nature pala, guys. Sabi Stefan, no? Kay Purugo. Ano? Pero madalas dito, landslide. When is the time can have a landslide? If it's always raining?
What happened here?
What's that? Wala, nakabundukan.
Oh, turn on the light. Now.
Turn on the light.
Look, there's just people here.
Oo. Hala, guys, tingnan nyo. Mayroon pang mga tao sa ilog, oh. Oh my God. Oh, nandito na kami sa tunnel. Puro bato yan. May mga tao pa sa ilog, oh, kahit gabi na. Sa bagay, alas 11. Maliwanag pa rin dito, eh. Alas 11 ng gabi. Tunnel na, oh. Delikado, no? Ano? Kunti na lang, laglag ka dyan. Is this where earlier the bus? Or the other
No,
side?
later. Much later. The bus
Oh,
is
goodness. Sinalubong kami ng bus
Okay,
kanina, hindi
the
namin
river
alam
here.
saan kami dadaan.
over here, but then later the river is on the right side, on the other side. Imagine
Mm-mm. Oo.
much to see.
Oh, the rocks there. Oh.
Look, the rocks here.
It's a real rock, no?
Look here.
Yeah. It's a real. Also this one, oh. Yan, oh. Oh,
Imagine you're the one who make the wall there.
oh my goodness. Grabe.
Look there. You will have a nice, lots of things to see there.
Oo. Wow, there's a landslide there before.
Look here, now.
Now, oh.
Look in
Pasok.
between.
Pasok
In
tayo
between
dito.
the
Wow.
tunnel here on the right side.
Oo, and dyan. Oh, and then dito
Yeah,
na
there's-
naman. Oh. Oh, there's a new car, I think, coming. Ah, okay. There is also other car. Oh, fuck shit. Paano na to?
Where'd you go?
May kasalubong kami, guys. Oh, God. Be careful, ha, at the back. Oh,
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Look here in between. Here. And then right side. Here. This way.
wow.
And look here. This way. There's more down. Inside. Stay left.
So, stress in sa car.
Imagine the bus is here
Yeah.
in front of you.
Parang hindi na ako makaginhawa itong daanan na to. Ah.
No, but there's
Scary,
more
no?
scary stuff coming.
Yeah, mas marami pa. Hindi pa, pabalik pa lang kami. Diyos ko, Lord.
We're in the Alps.
Parang yung daanan kasi, pang one car lang siya. Ngayon, pag may nakasalubong ka, kailangan yung pagkasyahin. Kaya magaling talaga dapat ng driver. Grabe.
Key.
No way.
I get out. I will stand outside and you drive. But you don't have a life insurance. Oh.
There's a car coming.
He's waiting for me and I'm waiting for him.
Oh, there, because there's a big one. That's why. What's that falling? Dito yung kanina eh, sinalubong kami ng ano, oh, at least there's a little bit curve. Ah, parang dito kanina yun eh. Sinalubong kami ng ano, gogong kagubatan. No? Na lang guys, yung driver natin. Sanay na sanay. No? Sanay sa pagdadrive.
Hey, don't film me.
Okay. I think we already passed by the one earlier with the bus.
Yeah, I think so. Not sure. Or maybe it was somewhere.
I think that was here or not.
Not sure.
See the small river. There's no water because it's ano summer. Yeah. So cannot.
Imagine your kids need to go to kindergarten every morning.
What? I didn't notice the school there. There's no school.
Maybe in somewhere near there. Or later you can Google that, all the information.
Mahaba man tong video ko mamaya. Putol-putulin ko na lang.
It's good, and you can just throw the body here. Nobody will find.
Napigil someone na just throw the body in the forest.
Somewhere
It's
there,
okay.
and then nobody will find it ever.
So, hindi namin dinala yung dalawa kasi busy sila sa paglalaro. Mag-aala, 6:30 ng gabi. Pero 11 dito maliwanag pa rin eh. You have to press here. I don't know. That's from your phone.
Maybe the phone is dead.
Yeah, correct. Not really.
Come on.
It's just straight.
But I want to go there.
Oh, no. Huh? What's in there? No need to go there.
Let's make more discovery.
Maybe there's a Jeff Dahmer waiting for us there.
Passengers will say, "Oh, they're not coming home. It's already dark outside.
Yeah.
11 p.m.